Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best blue sea glass is probably one of the most captivating and sought-after decorative elements, evoking the serene beauty of the ocean and the magic of time-worn treasures, making it a perfect choice for adding a touch of coastal charm and unique artistry to any space or collection, as each piece tells a story of its journey through the waves. Number 5. Jetec Sea Glass for Crafts. Bring the beauty of the ocean into your home with these stunning sea glass pieces. Their classic ocean color scheme is perfect for any beach-themed event. You'll receive approximately 11 ounces of bright sea glass, with most pieces measuring between 0.78 and 2 inches. This generous amount ensures you have plenty for all your decorating needs. These versatile pieces can be used as vase fillers, in jewelry, or to embellish mirrors and candle holders. Let your imagination run wild with these beautiful fragments. Looking for a unique gift? This sea glass decor is ideal for friends and family, perfect for anniversaries, weddings, or housewarming celebrations. It adds a charming marine style to any occasion. Crafted from quality manufactured glass with a lightly frosted finish, these pieces are designed for long-lasting decoration. They have no odor, but please handle with care as some edges may be slightly sharp. These beautiful fragments are ideal for home decor, aquariums, and DIY craft supplies. They effortlessly blend into any coastal setting, adding an eye-catching decorative hue. What we like? This option offers a classic ocean color scheme, perfect for creating a cohesive beach or nautical theme. It comes in a generous 11-ounce bag, ensuring you have plenty for your projects. If you're planning a beach wedding or a coastal-themed party and want a reliable, vibrant color palette, this is a fantastic choice. What people say? Pleasantly surprised by the variety of sizes and equal amount of the 3 colors. Durable, I couldn't break any to shape. Great selection. Various different sizes make it great for crafting. The colors and thickness make them easy to use. Number 4. White seashell mix with aqua sea glass. Bring the beauty of the ocean to your home with this stunning mix of white seashells and aqua sea glass. It's a generous assortment perfect for any beach-themed project. Each piece is unique, with shells ranging from 1 to 3 inches. Please note that due to seasonal availability, the exact shells may vary, ensuring a natural and authentic collection. This set is ideal for creating a coastal ambience in your home. It's perfect for nautical, cottage, seaside, or beach-style decor. Unleash your creativity with these beautiful shells and sea glass. They are perfect for crafting unique items like shell mirrors, candle surrounds, or decorative vase fillers. Add a touch of the seaside to your special occasions. They are excellent for beach weddings, wedding showers, and creating memorable decorations. Let your imagination guide you to create stunning centerpieces and crafts. This unique set offers endless possibilities for your next function or DIY project. What we like? This set uniquely combines beautiful white seashells with aqua sea glass, offering a more natural and varied beach aesthetic. With a substantial 1.5 pounds, it's perfect for creating a centerpiece or a detailed shell mirror. If you love the authentic look of mixed beach finds and want a comprehensive set for crafts or decor, this is the one for you. What people say? The sea glass is a perfect shade of ocean blue. Sea glass is beautiful in various shades of blue and a variety of sizes. Love the blue stones for the sea pop of color. Number 3. Blue-white aqua sea glass, 11-ounce bag. Discover our premium mix of cobalt blue, aqua, and white sea glass. This 11-ounce bag contains tumbled pieces, perfect for adding a touch of the ocean to your creations. Elevate your home with these beautiful pieces. They are ideal for vase fillers, table centerpieces, and creating stunning beach-themed displays. Let your imagination run wild with this versatile crafting material. It's perfect for jewelry, mosaics, resin art, and any DIY project needing a coastal vibe. Enjoy the smooth, frosted finish that mimics authentic ocean-polished glass. Each piece is tumbled for a naturally worn appearance. Surprise the crafters and beach lovers in your life with this bulk sea glass. It's a unique and thoughtful gift to inspire their next seaside-themed project. What we like? This selection boasts a premium mix of cobalt blue, aqua, and white sea glass with a smooth, frosted finish that mimics authentic ocean tumbled glass. It's particularly ideal for jewelry making and other detailed DIY projects where a refined look is desired. If you're a crafter looking to add a touch of coastal charm to handmade jewelry or mosaics, this is an excellent option. What people say. These multicolored pieces of glass were perfect for the angel ornaments that I was making. The glass pieces were the exact colors from the picture and looked good in the vase I put them in. I was looking all over for the correct material for my project. Searching on Etsy, AliExpress, here and other sites for fake glass for my cosplay project. I couldn't find any material that would give me the hard rough texture needed for my crafting. Number 2. CYS Excel Sea Glass Light Blue Vase Filler. Introducing our beautiful sea glass, available in a stunning frosted light blue. Each piece is carefully selected to bring a touch of the ocean to your decor. These pieces range from approximately 0.5 to 2 inches, making them ideal for a variety of uses. You'll receive about 1.5 cups in a 1 lb pack. Crafted for quality, these vase fillers are perfect for florists, designers, and event planners. They are sure to impress with their premium feel. Use them to add a vibrant splash of color to your vases or to create the perfect nautical, beach, or coastal theme. They bring the beauty of the sea right into your home. The unique frost-like feature offers a beautiful matte look. This finish gently diffuses light, showcasing the natural beauty and quality of each piece. Beyond decor, these are perfect as table scatter for weddings and receptions. They also add a special touch to birthday parties, dorm events, bars, and concerts. What we like. This option provides a vibrant, dyed light blue sea glass with a matte, frosted appearance that beautifully diffuses light. It comes in a 16-ounce bag, offering a good amount for various decorative uses. If you want to add a distinct pop of color to vases, aquariums, or use it as table scatter for parties, this is a great choice for a striking visual effect. What people say. Easy to work with and very pretty. Great glass product. And great value for big projects. We used it to make mosaics and faux succulent plants. Beautiful, good-sized pieces. Number 1. CYS Excel Sea Glass Vase Filler. Introducing our beautiful sea glass, available in a stunning mix of light blue and clear. It's the perfect way to add a touch of oceanic charm to any setting. Each piece features a unique frosted finish, creating a soft, matte look. This texture beautifully diffuses light, showcasing the inherent quality and elegance of the glass. Crafted with high quality, these fillers are ideal for florists, designers, and event planners. Elevate your floral arrangements and event decor with these exquisite pieces. These are perfect for adding a pop of color to vases, creating nautical themes, or enhancing beach and coastal decor. Bring the serene beauty of the ocean into your home. Beyond vases, use them as elegant table scatter for weddings, parties, and celebrations. They are also fantastic for bars, holidays, and adding flair to any gathering. You'll receive a generous 2 lb pack, providing approximately 1.5 cups per pound. This ensures you have plenty to complete your creative projects. What we like. This is the largest option, offering a generous 32-ounce mix of light blue and clear sea glass with a high-quality, frosted finish. It's perfect for larger projects or if you need a significant amount for extensive decorating. If you're a designer or event planner needing a substantial quantity for nautical decor, aquariums, or large-scale crafts, this bulk option is ideal. What people say. Very nice, and they worked perfect for what I had in my design. It is so much easier to clean than gravel of other things I've used. Good-sized pieces of frosted glass. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.